Polygon has recently surpassed Ethereum to become the second biggest blockchain platform in terms of daily active users. Binance Smart Chain is leading the way. Solana, Near Protocol and Cardano are also popular, boasting 135,000, 69,000 and 76,254 daily active users respectively. This data is significant as it shows that Polygon has surpassed Ethereum in daily active users and is now the second largest blockchain. It also shows that Binance Smart Chain is the most popular platform, and Cardano has a respectable number of daily active users. This week Bitcoin's price has been largely flat. This is a positive sign as it suggests that market participants are not growing nervous ahead of central bank meetings next week, following 2 weeks of a stupendous rally. This is supported by recent US core personal consumption expenditures data. It showed the slowest annual rate of increase since October 2021. Additionally, according to a report by Matrixport, US institutions have not abandoned the cryptocurrency markets. 85% of January's rally was attributed to institutional buying. An analysis of the top 10 cryptocurrencies reveals that some have seen a successful rebound off the 20-day exponential moving average. However, the bearish view is still a possibility due to the weakening of the bullish momentum. This article provides a great overview of the current state of the top 10 cryptocurrencies and the factors that could affect their prices. It offers insight into the bullish and bearish scenarios and the potential targets for each coin. It is a helpful resource for traders and investors looking to stay informed and make informed decisions. Cole Garner, an on-chain analyst, has revealed backtested and validated Bitcoin trading tools which show the picture for BTC USD to be firmly green. Several metrics have hit multi-year highs or their highest levels in at least 3.5 years, signaling bullish continuation. Examples include the ratio of BTC to stablecoins across exchanges and on-chain volume traded in profit. Meanwhile, net unrealized profit and loss has also been transformed this month due to BTC's 40% gains. Hash ribbons indicate that the Bitcoin mining sector has recently exited a period of capitulation. This is an interesting analysis of Bitcoin's current market metrics, which provide an optimistic outlook for BTC holders. The hash ribbons metric in particular appears to be a reliable indicator of miner stress and could be a useful tool in predicting future price corrections. Speculators are betting on tokens linked to the upcoming Ethereum network upgrade, Shanghai, in anticipation of increased adoption. Prices of cryptocurrencies have increased significantly since the FTX implosion, with the coins of Lido and Rocket Pool recording large price jumps. The LDO token, the governance token of the Lido app, has seen a triple-digit increase since November. Over the next 3 years, roughly a fifth of Ether tokens in circulation are expected to be staked. While liquidity of tokens may improve with Shanghai, there is a risk. Tokens may get stuck or speculators may sell just before the upgrade is implemented. This report provides an interesting insight into the anticipation of the upcoming Ethereum network upgrade and the potential impact it could have on the crypto market. It also highlights the potential risks involved in investing in tokens related to the upgrade. The New York Department of Financial Services issued new guidelines for cryptocurrency custodians. These guidelines require them to keep customers' funds separate from their own and disclose how they are doing so. This applies to BIT license holders and limited-purpose trust companies offering crypto custody services. It follows a moratorium on new crypto miners and the introduction of the state's BIT license in 2015. There have been several prominent failures in the crypto industry, prompting NIBs to take a tougher stance on digital assets. This has led to an exodus of Bitcoin miners, but New York is still actively overseeing the industry. It is believed that by doing so, New Yorkers are more protected than anyone else in the country. These new guidelines from the NIBs are an important step in providing effective government oversight and protection to cryptocurrency investors in New York. By requiring custodians to disclose how they are keeping customer funds separate from their own and introducing rules to help reduce the risk of credit exposure, NIBs is taking a proactive step to ensure the safety of digital asset financial services. This is a positive development for the industry, and a sign that the state is committed to protecting its citizens from fraud and other potential risks. Cryptocurrencies have seen a surge in the past year, with the combined crypto market value climbing above the $1 trillion mark. However, the U.S. Federal Reserve has recently rejected an application from crypto bank Custodian. It cited significant safety and soundness risks to become a member of the Fed system. Fed Chair Jerome Powell has warned against granting master accounts for crypto banks due to the potential safety and soundness implications. This comes after the crypto banking industry experienced extreme volatility and withdrawals in the aftermath of the FTX collapse. Silvergate, a California-based crypto bank, has seen its share price crash drastically. It recorded crypto outflows of over $8 billion in the fourth quarter of 2022. This news from the Federal Reserve Board is a major setback for the crypto industry, which had been hoping for mainstream acceptance. The Fed has highlighted the risks associated with crypto activities, and Custodians' risk management framework was deemed insufficient to address those concerns. The rejection of the application has been met with disappointment from the crypto bank and industry as a whole. Ripple CTO David Schwartz is of the opinion that Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, was more likely a collective than an individual. Discussions have arisen as to why the creator has not stepped forward to claim the immense wealth they have amassed. Possible explanations include lost keys and even death of some of the group members. Hal Finney was the first individual to download and install the Bitcoin software and receive 10 BTC from Nakamoto. He consistently denied being the creator and passed away in 2014. This conversation between Ripple CTO David Schwartz and other crypto enthusiasts brings up a valid point that Satoshi Nakamoto could be a collective or group of people instead of an individual, and that the wealth may have been lost due to the death of one of its members. This shows the fascinating mystery behind the creator of Bitcoin and their immense wealth. A bill has been introduced to the New York State Assembly. It would allow state agencies to enter into agreements with persons to provide the acceptance of cryptocurrency as a form of payment for fines, civil penalties, taxes, fees, and other payments owed to the state. The bill does not obligate state agencies to accept crypto, but does clarify that these agreements should be enforced by the courts. It defines cryptocurrency as digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency. Examples include, but are not limited to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. To become law, the bill needs to be passed by the Assembly and Senate, as well as signed into law by the governor. This is seen as a step in the right direction for a state. It has demonstrated hostility towards cryptocurrency and has imposed a restrictive bit license that all crypto exchanges need to acquire. This bill could be seen as a step forward towards the acceptance of cryptocurrency by the New York State government. It could help to reduce the hostility towards cryptocurrency and provide more clarity on the legal status of crypto payments in New York.